What's up, guys?
I'm Lainey.
I'm Brandon, and welcome back to the channel, guys. So, guys, today we are feeling kind of prankish. So we were like, we have some of our friends coming over for a little game night, and we were like, yo, why don't we just go ahead and prank them? So we are going to be doing a fake blood prank. I went and got some fake blood from Party City a while back, and I pranked Lainey with it. I actually got to post that video. I haven't posted it yet, and I pranked her with it, scared her half to death, didn't I? I scared her, so we're gonna try it out on our friends and see if we can get them with it. So you guys stay tuned for that, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn the post notifications so you know whenever we're posting. Remember to tell a friend, to tell a friend, to tell a friend to do what?
Subscribe
to our channel. And we'll be back to see you guys in this prank. Peace.
So we can come on, let's read it.
Nah, chill. No, it'd be funny.
Yeah. Oh no, you can drink that wine. Please drink that wine.
Well, don't put my mask on.
No, what is?
Okay.
Boy,
Wait.
take that nasty.
Woo! Wait, it gotta be a boomerang. Look at that, tequila. That's a girl drink though.
Yeah, but they can't see the front. They only saw the back.
Y'all ready to come and take some shots?
Let's take our shots.
I'm taking a beer.
Drink some water.
Usually after tequila, you're supposed to have
The line, yeah. You can't just drink that tequila like.
Wait.
like you drink wine.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
Wait, how you guys opening the beers without a beer opener?
These twist off.
Okay.
But this one is easy to open, bro.
Oh my
When
bad.
that bouncing blue. Alright, take it. Hold on.
You like
Drink
beer?
it
You like beer?
up. Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.
I might need to mix this with it. It's kind of sweet, man.
Beer will be good on my stomach.
I kind of want to open it here and see what it tastes
I
like.
mean, it made me go.
Okay.
Yeah, that's probably,
That's a vibe.
that's probably the thing that I eat.
This is probably
I had this had to grow on me.
mixing
Look
beer
at
with
it,
liquor.
keep
That's probably
drinking,
dangerous.
Yeah, you know this. But that's not even beer.
You
It's
know,
like
people
malt
like
liquor.
it.
This?
I had to grow on me.
I hate beer. Yeah, I'm not eating.
Oh man.
Well, like flavors. I just don't know what's in that secret.
It didn't taste kind of weird.
Yeah, that tequila is strong, man. Seriously, joke aside, that tequila is strong.
100%.
Yeah.
This is probably tastes guilty Sprite.
That's what you be drinking too?
Yeah.
Man, that's strong, man. Yeesh. You mix it with something. You cheat.
Wait, what?
You see, you cheat. You mix it with something.
Yeah, I did.
You let us drink
But
straight.
I took my shot.
Did you say it was strong? Coors Light? Or that?
What was wrong?
Then what is that? She drink was that much chocolate.
Strong drink.
You mad?
You said you drink that?
I think that was the main one that said down the drink.
Did you watch the video I sent you?
Yeah, dude, they were freaking amazing.
Yeah.
They were dope. They were dope. Right.
You trying to look out for the Uber?
No, I'm just watching the distance. That's really high.
Y'all went fishing in the lake yet?
Well, like, no. I don't think they let
Fish?
I don't think they let fish. I don't think they allow fishing like that.
It probably was alive. I
Nah.
I want to go fishing.
Huh? Out there? Oh,
There's
you
a lake that people go to here in Atlanta. I forget. What's like north of Atlanta?
Last time
Wait,
I
did you
did
talk about a lake?
like 20
Huh?
years ago.
It is
talk
a-
about a lake before to me, Chattanooga or something.
Oh, yeah.
It's a lake like an hour. It is a lake here. But you gotta know how to
Please
fish.
don't go to Lake Lanier.
Oh no, that was a river you're talking about.
Don't go to Lake
Yeah,
Lanier. I'm
that's
serious.
Chattanooga
Don't go
River.
there. Anytime I go there, there's bad things that happen.
People die.
Wait, where?
Bro,
Oh no!
bro, what were you doing?
Ah, dang it.
Dang, like that big.
Freak.
It's okay. I know that hurt.
Oh my gosh. Bro, I think, we gotta go to the hospital.
Bro, what were you looking inside?
I was trying to get like that shot glass out down there.
You okay, bro?
Let's see how bad it touches.
Dang it. But like, look at, yeah.
Two nurses here. Nurses.
But nah,
The
dude, I
same
gotta
we're
go to the
talking
hospital.
about, like,
I have
King
a
Robin,
Lift it up. Lift it high.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Stay away from the carpet.
Yo,
Yeah, don't get that up.
get the key.
Just breathe. Just breathe.
Do you
It hurt. Just breathe. Just take a
you
deep
know
breath.
alcohol?
Brandon, take a deep breath. You okay? Just take a deep breath.
Oh my gosh.
But that was
Yeah.
blood.
Ah.
Just take a deep breath. Just take him to the hospital.
Yeah, ibuprofen.
You got
I
something?
ain't ain't gonna give no medicine. Just take a deep breath. Breathe. It's gonna hurt.
Oh my gosh.
You gotta put some pressure on it.
I'm trying.
Yeah.
I'm trying, bro.
Just breathe.
I'm just.
What is it?
No, bro, you can't say that. No, bro, you can't say that.
Wait, did you
Bro, you can't say that. Bro, you can't say that.
Yeah.
Bro, you gotta be kidding.
I got one question.
That wasn't a blood?
No.
What is that?
That.
Alright, I'm gonna have to get
I just got one question though. Like, why wasn't nobody trying to hurry up and take me to the hospital? Like, everybody just sitting here being calm about this.
It was just weird.
I was trying to be calm.
I don't know. It was just strange.
I was trying to be calm, but I was
I didn't really know.
That's
what
why
to
you
think.
was, she was so chill. I was like,
I was just confused why nobody was trying to take me to the hospital. Pretty much. So basically, I would have just died and bled out or something right now.
bro, you got us so bad.
But let me show y'all what it is. It's just,
I thought it was weird because we got two nurses here that was just like.
it's just a little plastic bag.
So that's how you open the house work like, man, yeah, it's a bag stuck in there, man.
What's up, guys? So it's the day after that prank that we just did, and we actually like forgot to do the outro to it, but yeah, we got him. I was a little worried because I was like, yo, is anybody gonna like try to take me to the hospital? So if I had really cut my hand, I was gonna be like, or is anybody gonna do something? But yeah, we got him. So yeah, if y'all enjoyed that video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And remember to turn on post notifications so you know whenever we're posting. And yeah, so we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.